Okay, I got the different riffs notated or shown in here. You'll see at the beginning of the tab. Hope let's cut off a little bit. Yeah, so riff 1. And so riff 1 is basically just changing chords every time the full palm mute pattern starts over again. That 1 and 2 and 1 and 4, and then it changes chords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then riff 2. Well, the palm mute pattern stays the same the whole time, but here we're going to change chords each bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then riff 3, we start doing the single note stuff. Really just using the power chord shapes and going back and forth between the root note and the fifth interval. And then riff number 4 starts getting a little fancier with the note choices. Really just doing the same type of pattern, just moving down and up within the scales. And then riff number 5, fancier still. And then riff number 6, similar to number 5, just a little bit different with the note structure. And then here, to finish off this little etude, the little ascending deal working up there. All right, so let's play through this at a half speed, so 90 BPM. full speed ahead. It up. All right, no pinches, or maybe less. All right, take three. There we go. Okay. Yeah, good idea to learn each part individually. And then do this part here in the little bridge section and I went out. So the rhythm's always the same for these like descending chords. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2. It's like 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. So you want to keep things quiet here. That's a rest symbol, so that means it needs to be silent. This is another rest symbol. So that gets that's a quarter note rest. That's a half note rest. So the quarter note rest means you're quiet for 1 beat. The half note rest means you're quiet for 2 beats. And then the lead thing's really the we'll need to go over the scale stuff together. So this is in the key of A minor now because it changed from the key of D minor to A minor. And really it's just kind of look at one guitar at a time. So it's like descending in the notes here for the most part. So you got the A5 chord, and then you have this lead part starting on the A. Then it goes down to the G5, and you have this lead part starting on a G note. Nope, I put the note in wrong. That needs to be a 7, not a 5. Nope. Well, I better send that over to you so you can learn it the right way. And then when you got to the F5 here, then the lead part starts on the F. And then the other guitar is the harmony for it. So they're doing harmonies in basically in thirds, but like a third lower instead of a third higher. Well, no, that's not quite right either. It's like it's a third, but they do it an octave lower. We'll have to go over that in person too. But yeah, so the lower guitar, it would be the harmony stuff. So yeah, we'll go more detail with that next time. But there we go. Any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.